guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a how-to on how I do my eyebrows. I'm gonna first start off by trimming them with some small scissors, and then I'll take a spoolie brush, which I'll show you in a minute, and brush my hairs in an upward motion. This spoolie brush is just on the end of my eyebrow pencil. Most of them have it. And then I'll take some tweezers and then I'll pluck away the wild spaced out hairs like at the bottom of my brow. Nothing too much because I don't want to mess my eyebrows up. But you don't have to do it. This is something I prefer to do. Okay, after that, I like to pull my eyebrow back some, like where my arch is, and I start from like the middle, and I take my pencil and I kind of like trace. I don't know if you would say trace, but like do hair-like strokes from the middle of my eyebrow to the back end. And to know how long your eyebrows should be, you just take the pencil from the corner of your nose and the corner of your eye, and that's just how you measure how long your eyebrows should be. And you would do the same for the front part of your eyebrow. You just take it from the corner of your eye and the right front part of, I don't know, y'all know what I'm trying to say, but the front corner of your eyebrow and where your tear duct is, and you just kind of measure it to make sure like they're the right length. You don't want to have them too long and you don't want to have them too short. And then I'm gonna just go over the top and do hair-like strokes to outline the top part of my eyebrows as well. Okay, starting from the middle of my brow, I like to start filling in lightly, like by doing light strokes, not shaving in, coloring real hard, just something real light. You don't want to have any bold looking eyebrows. And if you feel like you went too bold, you can always take that spoolie brush and kind of brush it out until it start looking a little less bold. Okay, now I'm going to take this small angle-like brush. This is a Morphe brush. And I'm going to use this concealer, MAC NC45. And I'm going to take that angle brush and start to carve out my eyebrows. Just to, kind of clean it up a little bit. I always go like a little shade lighter than my skin tone underneath the brow part. So I'm going to take that concealer and start from like the center where I first started to shape my brows. I'm going to take that and start cleaning up my brow. Just start from the middle. I like to start from the middle so I won't go too harsh in the front. But you can start from the front. I like to start from the middle. Hey, whatever you like. Then I'm going to take this flat brush and then I'm going to go over the top of my brows with my concealer and clean up the top part of my brow. So I'm taking this Real Technique buffing brush to smooth out the concealer and foundation that I have around my eyebrows, just so that I don't have like this halo look going around my eyebrows. I just want to smooth it out so it can kind of like look like it's melted into my skin tone. Okay, once I finish buffing out the concealer, now I have this clean look. And I don't just leave my brows like this. I always go over with a full face of foundation. That's my preference. Anywho, so I was just showing you guys how I do my brows. I'm just only doing one today. So thanks for watching.